maths class and today we'll do money. Start with introduction. Money is used everywhere. कहीं भी अगर हम जाते हैं, कोई भी चीज़ buy करनी है, we are going to shop, कोई भी shopping करनी है, whatever we want to buy, we have to give money. When we go to market and buy something, then we have to pay money. Tina went to market with her brother. She bought 4 chocolates for rupees 80. She gave rupees 100 to shopkeeper. A shopkeeper returned her 20 rupees because 80 rupees की उसने चॉकलेट खरीदी थी एंड 100 रुपीज़ नोट दिया तो 20 रिमेनिंग जो है मनी उसने वापस कर दी. इंडियन मनी इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ रुपीज़ एंड पैसा. इंडिया में जो मनी होती है वो रुपीज़ एंड पैसे की फॉर्म में होती है. वी हैव ऑलरेडी लर्न अबाउट द इंडियन करेंसी इन अर्लियर क्लासेस. वी हैव also read about the different type of notes and coins. Now we shall revise them in brief and read the practical application of money. Conversion of money, 1 rupees that is equals to 100 पैसा. 1 रुपी किसके इक्वल होता है 100 पैसा का. To convert rupee into पैसा will multiply by 100. Rupees and पैसा are separated by a dot. रुपीज़ और पैसा को हम डेसिमल से सेपरेट करते हैं. एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. Convert the following into पैसा. We have to convert 18 rupees into पैसा. 1 rupee is equals to 100 paisa. So 18 equals to 18 into 100 means 1800 paisa. Clear? 5 paisa is written as rupees 0.05, not as rupees 0.50. Clear? Next is to convert paisa into rupees and paisa. We divide the paisa by 100. So to convert paisa into rupees, पैसा को rupees में convert करना है तो 100 से divide करेंगे. Example लेते हैं. Convert the following into rupees. 856 paisa. Since 100 paisa equals to 1 rupees, so we'll divide by 100. So that is equals to rupees 8.56. Next is evolution time 12.1. Convert the following rupees into paisa. Rupees 28. 1 rupees equals to 100 paisa. 28 rupees equals to 2800 paisa. Next, convert the following paisa into rupees. So पैसे को रुपीज़ में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हम 100 से डिवाइड करेंगे. सो दैट इज इक्वल्स टू रुपीज़ 38.41. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट, एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ मनी इज सेम एज जैसे हम सिंपल एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन करते हैं. ओनली वी हैव टू ऐड रुपीज़ इंटू रुपीज़ एंड पैसा इंटू पैसा. दैट थिंग वी हैव टू कीप इन माइंड. ऐड रुपीज़ 131.67, रुपीज़ 284.5 and rupees 396.58. So we'll make 2 separate column. One is for rupees and one is for paisa. Write paisa under paisa column and rupees under rupees column. Start adding from paisa. 8 plus 5 plus 7, that is 20. 0 2 carry over. Then 6 plus 4 plus 5 plus 2, that is 17. 1 carry over. 6 plus 4 10 and 1 11 and 1 12. 2 1 carry over. 3 plus 8 plus 9, that is 21. 1 2 carry over. 3 plus 2 5 and 6 and 2 8. 812 rupees 70 paisa. Clear? Next is evolution time 12.2. Add the following. 4 plus 3 7, 9 plus 7 16, 1 carry over. 6 6 12 and 1 13. 3 1 carry over. 8 plus 5 13 and 1 14. Rupees 143.67. Clear? Next, subtract the following. Subtract करना है. We cannot subtract 9 from 7, so we'll borrow. It becomes 17 और ये हो जाएगा 2. So 17 minus 9, that is 8. Now again we have to borrow. So that is equals to 12 and it becomes 7. 12 minus 4, that is 8, 4 and 1. 14.8 rupees 14.88. Clear? Next is multiplication and division of money. So here we have to multiply rupees 486.36 by 8. तो इस तरीके से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. रुपीज़ इन पैसे की कॉलम बना लेंगे. जहाँ पे भी डेसिमल आते हैं जैसे सिंपली हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं उसी तरीके से करेंगे. सो दैट इज इक्वल्स टू रुपीज़ 3890.88. Clear? Next is evolution time 12.3. Multiply the following. Now 8 5s are 40, 4 carry over. 5 3s are 15 and 4 19. 1 carry over. 5 5s are 25 and 1 26. 2 carry over. 5 4s are 20 and 2 22. Rupees 226.90. Clear? Next, divide the following. So here we have to divide 586.35 rupees by 5. So 5 ones are 5, subtract करेंगे 0, again 5 ones are 5, 3, 5 sevens are 35, 1. Now we'll put the decimal in 3. 5 twos are 10, 3, 5 sevens are 35. So that is equals to rupees 117.27. Clear? Next is story problems. Sheena bought a sari for rupees 3086.85, salwar suit for rupees 1035.75, a pair of sandals for rupees 785.99. Find the total cost of all items. So we'll add them together and total cost will be 4908.59 rupees. Clear? Next is evolution time 12.4. Ravi bought a jeans for rupees 999.95 rupees, shirt for rupees 799.65 rupees. Find the total cost. So we have to find the total cost 999.95 and 799.65. Add them together. 0, 1 carry over. 9 plus 6, 15 and 1, 16, 1 carry over, 9, 9, 18 and 1, 19, 1 carry over, 9, 9, 18 and 1, 19, 1 carry over, 17. So total cost is rupees 1799.60 rupees. Clear? Practice all the questions. Next is look back. Indian money is in the form of rupees and paisa. To convert the paisa into money, we multiply the rupees by 100. Rupees and paisa is separated by a dot. To convert the paisa into rupees and paisa, we divide it by paisa by 100. 1 rupees, that is equals to 100 paisa. Next is let's recall. So you have to practice all the questions given here so that you will understand कि आपको चैप्टर कितना अच्छे से समझ में आया. Next is multiple choice questions. Take the correct option. Rupees 1 equals to 100 paisa. So A is the correct option here. Here we end the chapter. I hope chapter आपको समझ में आ गया. Now to practice it.